everyone. In this video, we will see having a sequence of dictionaries, how can we group them together based on particular field. So here we will be using itertools to group by the items. So I'm on my VS Code and here I have already created a list which is holding name and the age. So you can say this is a dictionary, this is a dictionary. So basically you can say a list of dictionaries. Okay, now in order to perform this group by, we need to import few key modules here. So the first one I need is from the operator, and I would say import item getter. Another one is from itertools, so import, here we can say group by. Okay, so once these are imported, next thing what we need to do is we need to sort this collection. So for sorting, we can say records.sort, and inside that we need to pass the key, that on basis of which key we need to perform the sorting. So here we can use item getter, and inside that we will be passing age because we are going to group by the items based on the age. Next thing is we need to perform grouping. So for grouping we can go with for loop, and here I am saying group by, which will take the sorted sequence and it will again take the key on the item getter, which is age. Okay, so first of all I will go ahead and print age, and then we need to put another for loop which is going to iterate over the items for given age. So let's say item in items, and go ahead and print item. So let's try this. Okay, so you can see that the output is appearing here. So everything is grouped based on the age. So here age 23 belongs to 3 people, so Nick, Honey and Neil, whereas 33 belongs to again another 3, so Banjo, Arjun and Adam. And for 43 we have only one candidate, which is Mike. So this is how based on a given field you can perform grouping. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.